already done with his debate workshop. So that's De La Salle. Or UPS. Your what? Ateneo's UPS. Supervisor. Supervisor Dior. Sinusupervise niya yung breakfast namin. He doesn't eat table food. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it has been like a week since I have uploaded my recent vlog. So ngayon na lang ulit ako nakapag-vlog kasi maraming mga ganap. And right now, we are going to a hotel in Manila, specifically in Malate, Manila. Yon, kasi Stan has a debate tournament na 2 days, so today and tomorrow. And para hindi na siya mahirapan mag-travel from LaSalle, kasi sa LaSalle yung venue, LaSalle, Manila. So para hindi naman siya mahirapan mag-travel later, hanggang 5 kasi yung event. So tapos babalik ulit tomorrow for day 2. So para hindi na siya nahihirapan mag-travel, my husband and I decided na mag-book na lang ng hotel. Yon, para hindi na pabalik-balik, hindi na pa-travel ng travel. Kasi ang layo nung aming place, ng aming house, from LaSalle. Kasi Manila yung LaSalle, diba? So, medyo mahirap siyang puntahan. Kaya we decided na mag-book na lang ng hotel. And we made sure na yung hotel na aming binook ay pet-friendly. Kasi kasama namin si Dior. So, kasama namin si Dior dito sa overnight stay na to. Yun. We'll take you there. Papunta na kami doon. And let's see kung okay pa siya. So, pwede ko sigurong ma-recommend kung okay siya. Kasi since pet-friendly naman. And, yun. I'll get back to you later. Hi guys. So, nandito na kami ngayon sa hotel. This is the Kimberly Hotel. It's along Pedro Hill in Manila. So, I'll give you a quick room tour. Sobrang ano lang. For you guys to see lang. So, this is the main door. So, pagpasok mo, on your left is ito yung cabinet. So, there's the vault. May slippers yata doon. Some hangers and coffee, kettle, fridge. Tapos ito yung gamit namin. There's Dior. So, ito ay triple, basta, yeah. O, yan. 3 twin beds. Pero parang hindi naman twin bed to. Yan, so, tatlo yan. And then, I think this is really, a decent one. Tapos may view pa. Yan. Tapos may table here. With a mirror. Hi, Dior. Hi, Dad. And then there's a full-length mirror here. Yung kanilang bathroom. So, very simple one na okay na sa amin for overnight. This is, I paid 4,400 something. So, yung room rate niya ay 4,146 something. And then, taxes na 497. So, it's around 4,600 plus. And then, we had to pay for 1,000 pesos for the pet fee. Yun, kasi may pet fee. Tapos, 1,000 pesos again for deposit. Which we can get tomorrow pag check out. Yun. So, parang all in all, na hindi kasama yung deposit, parang 5,000 plus siya. So, mahal siya. Pero free pala yung breakfast nito. So, free kaming tatlo, si Stan, ako, tsaka yung husband ko, for the breakfast tomorrow morning. Yun, may free breakfast naman nakasama. So, I think, okay. I'm not sure lang kung buffet yung breakfast tomorrow or yung set meal. So, I'm not sure yet. So, I'll take you with me kung anong mga pupuntahan natin today. So, yan. Bye! Bye, guys! Bye, Yor! Hi, Dior! Yor! There! See you! This one. Okay, sit down, sit! Good! Pala guys, yung treats niya, Vital Fiber from Dentalite. So, sobrang laki nito, jumbo size ito. So, what I do, inaano ko siya, pinuputol-putol ko siya. Kasi pag small dog na ganito, hindi siya pwede nung ganong kalaki. Agad na bibigay. So, okay. Up. Up. Good. So, pag nagbibigay kami sa kanya ng treats, hindi kami basta binibigay. So, he has to do something para mabigyan namin siya ng treats. Like this one, yung mga sit, ganyan, up, dapat may gagawin siya para alam niya na, para hindi siya ma-spoil. It's just for us, ha? Disclaimer. Kami lang yun. That's what we think. That's what we believe. So, there. You're down. Good. So, may mga command kami. Mga simple commands lang. Okay, sit. Good. Up. Good. Medyo matigas. Pray. Good! Good job! Mga ganyan-ganyan lang. Mga simple, simple command lang. Para lang alam niya na he has to do something. Hindi siya mas-spoil. Na pag gusto niya ng treats, bigay na lang. Hindi namin siya sinanay na gano'n. So, parang mga 6 months pa lang siya. Ganito na yung ginagawa namin sa kanya. Hindi pwedeng bigay agad. So, nagpapakommand kami. Here. Down. Good. Hi guys. So ngayon ay nandito na kami sa may near Green Residences. It's I think a condo beside the LSU. So ayan. 5 o'clock kasi yung end ng activity ng anak ko ngayon sa Lasal. So dito lang kami sa labas. If he's there na sa gate, that's when we'll get him. So, ang situation ngayon ay that's my husband. Katabi niya si Dior. There. It's okay, it's okay. Yeah. So, ayan guys, yung Green Residences. Somewhere there. Hindi kasi yata pwedeng mag-hazard dun sa may sa may labas mismo ng gate ng school. So, kaya nandito kami. So, this is Taft Avenue. Tapos, nandun pa yung Vito Cruz. Hi. So he's already done with his debate workshop. So that's De La Salle or UPS. Your what? Ateneo's UPS. Hi Dior. Did you miss Kuya? Is that Tuya? So we're here na guys. We just parked. Dito na kami sa Robinson's Place, Manila. Dito na kami magde-dinner para pagbalik ng hotel, magpapahinga na lang. Be careful! Hindi ko alam kung saan yung ano. Here? Okay. We're here na guys at Yabu. So I ordered, what's this again, babe? Signature Oyakodon. So this is what I'm going to have, and then some fruits right here. And what's this? Soup. And some cabbage. And watermelon shake. So sila ay naghihintay pa ng kanilang food. Dad ordered, what's that again? Mango shake. And bottomless iced tea. Pero yung food nila wala pa. And then there's Dior. So dito lang kami sa labas kasi may dog kami. So dito kami sa outside, but it's okay. Okay din naman. So this is Dad's food. What is this again?
Creamy Dory. Creamy Dory.
Creamy Dory. 80 grams, no? So may ano pala siya man. And then he had an extra egg, fried egg. Stan has, what's that again? Curry. Tatsu curry. Tatsu curry. Let's eat, guys. Okay, so we're here. I wouldn't ask for ano, slippers pala. Is that? Wear na lang your socks kasi I have ano.
Hi.
We're back. Okay, so we're back in our hotel room. Yan, and kasama na namin si Stan. It's now 7:45 p.m. So, wala na kaming balak lumabas ngayon para makapagpahinga din ng maaga. So, yun lang guys. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow yung second day ng debate workshop and tournament ni Stan. See you tomorrow. Good night. Good morning guys. So, today is today is Saturday, April 20. So, day 2 na ng debate workshop and tournament ni Stan. And first morning namin dito sa hotel in Manila. So, bababa na kami ngayon. It's already what time? What time is it? 6:20 a.m. So, bababa na kami for the breakfast. Yung aming room rate here, included na yung free breakfast for 3. So, let's see kung anong meron sa kanilang. We're not sure kung buffet yet. So, let's see. See you later. Morning. Morning. Didn't sleep well, right? You didn't. Let's go. Sorry? 6:07. Bread? Or baka gusto mo rice? Let's check what the food is. Oh, that is beef tapa. That's pork longanisa. There's Spanish sardines, potato wedges, and rice. And there's soup there. mushroom soup. And you can have your eggs cooked. So this is what I got. Yung beef tapa, plain rice, some potato wedges, and fried eggs sunny side up. And I also got the Four Seasons na juice drink. Si Stan has plain rice, potato wedges, some longganisa, and beef tapa. And he got naman the scrambled egg. And then we have water. So si Dad ay nagkukuha na ng kanyang food, while si Dior ay nagsuscoot and nag-discover ng kanyang seat. So when Daddy comes back here, mag-pray na kami and then we'll eat. Supervisor Dior. Sinusupervise niya yung breakfast namin. He doesn't eat table food. Kaya hindi siya pwede. Kahit ano. Hello guys! So it is 11:48 a.m. This Saturday, April 20. So iniwan na namin, not really iniwan, nag-check out na kami dun sa hotel. Tapos si Stan, kasi hanggang 5 o'clock pa yung day 2 nila, he will be joining the, yung coaster ng kanilang school, going back to Ateneo. Tapos doon na lang namin siya sa school susunduin later. Kasi ang initial plan namin was to stay until 5, tapos kami yung pipick up kay Stan today. But the problem is 12 yung check-out time ng hotel. So 5 pa. We have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hours na hindi namin alam kung anong gagawin namin kasi meron kaming kasamang dog. Hindi kasi lahat ng restaurants, hindi lahat ng establishments, pwede yung pet. So, yun yung problem namin in 5 hours. Hindi namin alam kung anong, sa kami pupunta, anong pwedeng gawin. Yun. Ayaw naman namin mag-extend sa hotel. Kaya, we thought of, we will just go home and si Stan ay sasabay na lang sa coaster ng school mamaya pag-uwi. From Lasal to Ateneo. So, yun. So, it's almost lunchtime. Baka na lang kami, drive-through or kung ano yung madaanan namin na medyo malapit na sa Ortigas. Yung medyo malapit na sa area namin. Sobrang kasi dito, no, sa Manila. Crowded talaga siya. Hindi lang mga tao, pati mga sasakyan. Parang lahat ng puntahan mong corner ay may mga build up ng sasakyan, tapos pati yung mga tao, ang dami-daming tao kahit saan ka lumingon. So ayun, kaya na pag-usapan namin na somewhere near our place sa Pasig, somewhere Ortigas, in Ortigas or Pasig na lang kami magla-lunch. Ayun, so I'll get back to you later. Going home? I think puyat tong aso na to kasi hindi siya masyadong nakatulog kasi yung unit namin, hotel unit kanina, malapit siya sa elevator. So, syempre, bukas-sara yung elevator. So, ganun din siya, inaabangan niya yung mga tunog ng elevator tsaka yung mga naglilinis na yung mga housekeeper. Inaabangan lahat ng kilos, yung lahat ng tunog. So, kahol siya ng kahol, tapos nagigising siya every time. Kaya feeling namin pag uwi namin, tulog siya. Magbabawi siya. So, we are now, anong street ba to, Web? Nagtahan. Ay, no. Ano pala to? Santa Mesa. Yeah. So, pa Santa Mesa kami. Tapos, Shaw, no? Ang daan natin. Shaw Boulevard. Tapos, Ortigas. Yan lang. Hi guys, so it's already 7:40 p.m. Nandito na kami sa labas ng Ateneo. So papasok na kami ng gate to pick up Stan. Medyo traffic lang yung dito sa site na to.